So, since we're celebrating Mother's Day, Isaboo and I wanted to do something for Isaboo's mom, you.
And let's not get too, we don't know what it is.
She's nervous. She hates surprises.
Let's hold back on how enthusiastic we are, okay?
Anyway, so back when you and I, way before we met each other, were little kids.
Yeah.
Our parents used to take us to Times Square in the theater district.
Yeah.
We used to go either see a Broadway show or go to Radio City Music Hall and see
I'd go to the
Rockettes or the
see
Met.
The Nutcracker.
And then where would we eat
Mama Leone's.
Mama Leone's, which closed years and years and years ago, but we both have fond memories. And I'm convinced we were both there at the same time when we were both 7 years old.
Pasquale was always our waiter, and he would dance me around the dining room on his shoulders. My mom would order Chardonnay Red Cap, and we'd get red-cheeked from drinking cold duck, basically. Our friend Kim gave us the old Mama Leone's menu, which is framed in our dining room upstate.
So, for Mother's Day, Isaboo and I wanted to get you Mama Leone's. Drop the curtain!
Very sweet, honey. This is great. Honey, you didn't light the candles.
They gotta light the candles.
Nobody lit the candles, really?
Well, we have wine, so cheers.
Is it good wine? Did you pick the wine?
I don't know. Yeah, it looks very nice.
Okay.
So some viewers,
Right.
because you always talk about Mama Leone's, they got you some memorabilia. So here we have framed Mama Leone matchbooks.
That's upside down, honey.
Oh, there you go.
That's amazing. Oh, honey, we should put this in the apartment because we don't have anything from Mama Leone's in the apartment. We only have it upstate.
Yeah, let's put it in the apartment.
And they're old linens.
And we got the old
linens.
The old
from back in
linens.
the day. You know, when we used to go to Mama Leone's, we put, my sister and I would put the olives on our fingertips and eat them off, the big black olives. And we'd eat hunks of mozzarella cheese and celery sticks. And they had strolling troubadours would stroll through the dining room and sing songs. It was wonderful. It really was.
So, honey, you and I aren't the only ones who love Mama Leone's.
Who else loves Mama Leone's?
Our friends from the Nomad restaurant here in New York City.
Shut the door.
They love it so much, in fact, that they did a pop-up Mama Leone's at the Nomad. Let's show you right now.
How come you didn't take me there?
My name is Will Guidera. I'm from the Nomad, and this past year we did a pop-up called Mama Guidera's, which was our nod to Mama Leone's, which was a restaurant I grew up in, and a restaurant that Rachel grew up in too. It's been closed for a really long time, and so we wanted to revive it in our own way. And today we're bringing a piece of it to you.